Um, Today I am doing keys. So, if if you want to know how to use keys, then this is a perfect video to know how to. There are up arrow keys, left arrow keys, right arrow keys, and down arrow. Then, first, when you have to do it, you put on start. Then set active true and set static true. Set rotation style left to right and forever if key left arrow or up arrow or right arrow or down arrow pressed. Change X or Y by negative 10 pixels or just 10 pixels. So, then we're gonna see how I added all this sound. When after start physics, the shape is a circle, like a ball. Gravity to 0 by 10, and set resolution to 0.8. When actor collides, play the sound boing 3. Normally, you could add sounds on this. And that's how you add the sound. So, now I'm going to press play, and it's kind of annoying. Let me set the sound a little less. Now, when you press up arrow, it goes up, and when you go down, it goes down. When you go left, it goes left, and when you go right, it goes right. And that's how you use keys and add sounds. So that's pretty much it.